All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Joyhicare non-contact infrared body thermometer. All right, first of all, you got to turn it on. You're going to press this button right here. It says set once, and then you're going to press it again. You see it's off. Press it again, it's on. So it's ready to go. It's giving me a beep sign. It's in Fahrenheit, and it's set on body. So now all I got to do is point it at my forehead, just above the mid-sagittal point, and then press this button right here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that right now. As you can see, I have a rather large target. You don't want to do it between your eyes. You want to do it up here. So what you're going to do is you're going to point it just above your head in the middle and click it. And there it is. There's your temperature. It looks like 97.6. So I'm running a little cold. And that is basically how you do that. All right, now let's go ahead and turn her back on. It's on the body right now, but you can change modes and you can actually read surface modes. You're going to go up here to mode, you're going to click it, you're going to notice it changes from body to surface. Then if I wanted to check this surface mode, the temperature of this stool, I just click it, and bam, that tells me the temperature. If I look at my thermostat, that's about what the room temperature is. So here it is. This is the thing you change. Body, surface. You can see it says if that was my body temperature, it would be very low. And then when you want to test something, you just press this trigger, point it at it about a couple inches away, and it tells you the temperature. And then if you want to go back to body, you just click here, it goes back to body. Basically, that's it. Now, if you just click here, it's going to go to the off position. When you set it down, it takes a while, but this green light will go out. And then soon after that, the screen will go blank. Right now, it's still reading that without the light on, but it will go blank. You just got to give it a couple seconds. You'll see that. All right, there it is. It's blank. Now, I wanted to show you where the batteries are. Right here, there's a little push button. You push it, you can pull it out, and you can pull your batteries out here. Very simply, just go like this. Now, this one's a little harder to get out because you got to get it from the other end. So if you pull it here, got to be careful not to bust the spring. And then you can get the new batteries if you need to change them. Negative on the bottom here, positive on the top, just like that. And then notice there's a track here. And all you got to do is slide it in the track the right way. You can see how it goes in. And that's how you do the batteries. So anyway, point, click, get about that far away, mid-sagittal line of the body on the forehead, and then surface temperature, same thing. And that's basically how you use it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on things like this. Peace out.